The UnNoticed Entrepreneur podcast is sponsored by Prowly, the all-in-one tool for PR experts.
Today we're going to Toronto, Canada to meet Cahill Camden. He's just launched a new product called Press Jockey, which sounds very interesting.
There are literally thousands of press requests or media requests from top blogs, top publications, podcasts, TV stations, radio, news that are published every day around the web, around the world. That's inbound. So people are asking for your help. They're asking for your expertise. The challenge is, like you said, those jewels are littered all around the world and all around the internet, and you've got to go out and find them, filter them, and find out. The software that we've just launched is a tool that does that automatically for you. We find and filter thousands of requests a day for you so that you just get the relevant ones delivered to your inbox, and you can respond with a couple of clicks using a template that you've pre-written or one of our templates. We're doing things that don't scale. So I am a big believer in that for a number of reasons. One, I think you get fantastic feedback from your early customers. They'll tell you things directly to your face that maybe you don't want to hear. They'll give you great feedback. They'll provide suggestions. They'll also share it with their friends and with other communities. We will be targeting the PR world, but right now we're targeting more of the business owner or the medium-sized business, small-sized business that has maybe thought about PR, has maybe been burned by a PR agency and said, hey, we didn't get great results, or who is maybe using one of the free platforms, pulling their hair out with how much time they're spending on that platform. I think one of the most important things is to get started, get out there. And so I have a saying that all of my clients are very familiar with. I say, start small and scale up from there. The product name is Press Jockey. So you can go to pressjockey.com.
Now, this is just a 2-minute trailer for a full 20-minute show. The show will be dropping into your feed in the next day or so. So do look out for it and do enjoy it, share it, and review it. Thanks for listening to this trailer of the UnNoticed Entrepreneur. Prowly is an all-in-one software for leveraging your public relations activities. You can boost the media relations game for your business, find media contacts, send out press releases, and get more coverage while saving time and money on everyday tasks. Check it out, prowly.com.